Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is News Channel 16. We currently have reports of a small earthquake hitting Moore. Luckily nobody died. One was hurt and 5 buildings were damaged. Now for your local radar. As you can tell here, we have a line of pocket storms. We have a small thunderstorm to the northeast. But there is a huge supercell at the western part. This storm has winds in excess of 58 miles per hour. It also has hail the size of quarters, along with flash flooding and microbursts as well. It's a dangerous storm and we suggest you get into a safe structure now. This storm is our top weather story. The massive supercell is heading our way and has a mesocyclone with winds of 61 miles per hour. This is close to becoming a tornado. We will keep an eye on this dangerous situation. This storm will have a huge shelf cloud as well. If you see this storm approaching, do not go outside. This is a possibly dangerous situation. Because of this, we have issued a tornado watch for the following cities: Moore, Oklahoma City, McLeod, El Reno, Enid, Lawton, Woodward, Guymon, Ardmore, Edmond, Stillwater, and Ponca City. If you are in any of these areas, keep your emergency supplies ready. There is not a tornado at the moment, but the conditions are right for the development of one. Please stay tuned. This is a possible danger. The National Weather Service of Oklahoma City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties: Osage, Noble, Pawnee, Payne, Creek, Lincoln, Oklahoma; Cleveland, Pottawatomie, McLean, Seminole, Pontotoc, Murray, Johnston, Cole, Carter, and Marshall. This storm has winds in excess of 94 miles per hour. It is a very strong supercell. It also includes golf ball-sized hail, potential flash flooding, gust-nados, dangerous lightning, and maybe even tornadoes. There are also reports of very strong microbursts occurring in this storm. A microburst is a downburst of cool air and can be as strong as an EF1 tornado. If you are outside, now is the time to be seeking a sturdy and safe shelter. You should keep your disaster supplies ready in case of a flood, tornado, power outage, or a lightning-caused fire. This is a possibly dangerous situation. Stay tuned to a weather network for safe coverage on this storm. Now back to your regular program. The National Weather Service in Oklahoma has issued a flash flood warning for the following counties: Alfalfa, Major, and Garfield. The supercell thunderstorm is dumping 3 feet per hour of rain on these areas. Localized flash flooding will result from this. Now is the time to gather your supplies like non-perishable food, fresh drinking water, batteries, a flashlight, a portable radio, your mobile phone, a first aid kit, and also a helmet. This storm also includes hail, so a helmet is strongly recommended. Do not drive in flooded roads, as this is how most flood deaths occur. This is a life-threatening situation. Do not panic. Panic will only make the situation worse. Seek high ground immediately. It is strongly suggested to bring your pets. Animals like pit bulls, if left alone, can pose a threat to other people. Now back to your normal program. The National Weather Service of Oklahoma has issued a tornado warning for the following counties: Caddo, Grady, Canadian Oklahoma, McLean, Cleveland, and Lincoln. A radar-indicated tornado was detected 20 miles west of Oklahoma City. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. This tornado is moving east at 47 miles per hour. Damage has already been reported in some areas, and the damage is relatable to that of an EF1 tornado. We have no indications of this storm weakening, so it may become a much stronger tornado. Do not panic. Panic only makes things worse. Now is the time to get your disaster supplies, which are the following items: non-perishable food, fresh drinking water, clean clothing, house billing and payments, a flashlight, batteries, a portable radio, a mobile phone, a first aid kit, pets, and a helmet to hear. Head into the lowest and most interior room of your home. If you have a storm cellar or a basement, now is the time to enter it. If you do not have even a safe room, get in the center of your home. You want to put as many walls between you and the outside as possible. You should also get as low as you can. This is a life-threatening situation. This should be taken seriously. Now back to your TV program. We interrupt your broadcast to bring you this urgent news alert. Earlier, a small tornado formed about 20 miles away from the edges of Oklahoma City. We have reports of a quarter-mile wide tornado on the ground. This tornado has reported to lift roofs off of houses and carry them for a rather short distance before letting them go. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. This is not any tornado warning. This is a tornado emergency. This only happens if an EF2 tornado or stronger is happening in an area. This is a very dangerous situation. Now is the time to get essential disaster surviving items such as non-perishable food, fresh drinking water, a first aid kit, batteries, a flashlight, a portable radio, clean clothes, house billing and payment information, pets, and a helmet. This tornado is still growing in size and intensity. You want to be in the lowest level of your home, and you want as many walls between you and the outside as possible. This is a very large and dangerous tornado. Please take this time to get to your safe area now. We interrupt your broadcast to bring you this urgent news alert. The National Weather Service in Oklahoma has issued a tornado emergency for the Oklahoma City area. The tornado we were tracking earlier is now an EF5. It intensified very quickly and it is very large now. It is now 5.3 miles wide. This is not a test. We repeat, this is not a test. People have reported houses flying through the air in this beast. This tornado is also now rain-wrapped. The tornado has a wind speed of 348 miles per hour. This is so strong that even concrete buildings will be destroyed. You have to get below ground if you are in the path of this twister. We have a state of emergency issued for all of the areas in the way of this twisting killer. Make sure to have the following supplies: non-perishable food, fresh drinking water, clean clothing, a first aid kit, home bills and insurance, your money, pets, a helmet, batteries, a flashlight, and a portable radio. This is a possibly mass casualty situation. And yet the tornado is still intensifying. This is the largest tornado on record, and definitely the strongest. We should also add that if you do not have a safe shelter, you must go into an interior room. You want as many walls between you and the outside as possible. If you do not take the precautions that were just said, then you will face certain death. Do not panic, as panicking will only make things worse. The National Weather Service has issued a civil danger warning for the affected areas from the tornado and nearby. Some debris that was launched from the tornado is now falling back to our planet. This debris is actually moving fast enough to injure or even kill. 6 remaining structures have already been damaged or destroyed from the falling debris. 4 are already dead and 8 are injured from this debris. We also have reports that a gas station exploded and triggered a fire. This fire is currently only 36 acres in size, but is slowly expanding. Our surviving firefighters are trying to deal with the flames. These flames are also generating a lot of smoke. Do not get near the smoke. This smoke can cause trouble breathing, which can be lethal. This smoke is also causing car wrecks. The low visibility is causing car wrecks to occur. Do not get near a highway where the fire is near, as you can get hit by a vehicle. Do not panic. Panicking makes things worse. Do not venture much until the all-clear signal is given. This is an administrative message issued to the public. This is not an actual alert, but it is still necessary. It is finally safe to come out. The fires have ended. The debris has stopped falling. The cars have stopped crashing. Almost everything was destroyed. This is a major disaster. Never before have we seen such a tornado do so much destruction. This is the new deadliest tornado in history. It is also the new biggest and strongest. And now, a word from the President. Never before have I seen so much damage from a single natural disaster. This is definitely the worst tornado our nation has ever experienced. But we will rise from the ashes as an even stronger nation. We got through other disasters like Hurricane Katrina, the Children's Blizzard, and the War of 1812. We will make it through. Good evening, everyone, and God bless America.